Got a little thirsty. I was gonna send this to Nathan 4071. I know he'd be eyeballing this, but sorry Nathan, I got thirsty, man. You know, what am I gonna do? You know. So, Canteen Cup Tuesday, Sheet Iron Wednesday. Close enough. But oh yeah. There you go, man. Oh yeah. There we go. It's my little utensil kit here. Damn, that's good. I'm gonna kick this fire up a little bit, man. Cooking real good now, man. So, Portuguese chorizo, made probably about a mile from here. Oh yeah. Later on, I'll have a nice canteen cup full of Darjeeling tea, Balazur. Yeah. We'll cook this up, man. This cook. Now, in the background, that bird is singing there. He, I guess him and his wife, they bought the birdhouse on my property here. Had a chickadee couple look at it. They didn't want it, but I think that's a wren. Carolina, that might even be a Carolina wren. I think it was, but he's singing there. You can hear him, but cool. Let this cook up, keep the fire going. Beautiful day. Oh, we've been in so much rain up here, it's unbelievable. It's a good day. It's cooking pretty good now. Now, Canteen Cup Tuesday, I'm gonna call this sheet iron Tuesday instead of cast iron Wednesday. I hope Native Therese will forgive me for using sheet iron, but that's what it is, man. Love this. Cooking up nice, cook it slow. And what I'm gonna do with this, hell, I can do it now. Well, this is Stephen Edge, it's not Texas Pete, you know, but I got all kinds of stuff. Got some Jamaican stuff I picked up yesterday. Then afterwards, I might even put some Heinz barbecue sauce. Doesn't have all that high fructose stuff in or nothing like that. It's pretty good. They got a whole series there. I may put some of that in after. But did my work, cut the lawn. It was going crazy, man. A lot of rain. But so Native Therese, this is sheet iron Wednesday on a cast iron Wednesday. And Canteen Cup Tuesday. And I got another cup ready to brew some tea in here. So then I got to get some cookies to go with it, you know. So I'm gonna plate this. Oh yeah, that'll be good, man. I mean, tell you the truth, if I wasn't doing this, I'd probably eat it right out of the pan if I wasn't filming this. You know, don't like manufacturing dishes. I always tell my kids, don't manufacture dishes. But yeah, man, this is damn, looking mighty good. This is my spoon, so nothing's going on here. No barbecue sauce, no nothing. Just the best. So I'm gonna scoop it right in here. That was olive oil I used. Nice controlled fire. No stick. No garbage. This is good, man. Damn, this is good. Not one of my best spoons, but it works. Yeah. What's up? Damn. Oh, get this off. Put on some tea. Just to kind of burn up my wood stove. Season it. I should oil it if I'm going to cook on it, but burn off any coatings on there. But yeah, man. Cool. So get back to you. I'm probably going to my little shelter. Take care now. Skuniesmo. Share it around on Instagram. I'll probably post a couple segments there. But nice Trey Gowdy t-shirt I won from not Trey Gowdy, jeez, Phil Gowdy. So you understand. But take care now, man. My shelter, guys. My dog. Other than the hot sauce, I don't have to put anything on here, man. This is outstanding. Damn. Really good. Peppers, onions. The hot sauce. Portuguese chorizo. Right from the area. I expanded this. The end of the stove is right here. I closed off the top, stopped the chimney right now. I don't need it right now. Expanded this. I'm going to put some extra waterproofing on tomorrow. This whole section's pretty good. That section's good. Just needs a little more. It's very old, you know, the canvas. But yeah, here we go. Good stuff, man. Don't mind the noises and everything, you know, that's just shows you the food is good. Ham it up a little bit, you know. But cool. Oh yeah, my pooch. If I turn my back, he'd scoff this food right up. Right, Maggie? She's a good girl. Good Tennessee volunteer state girl. Rescue dog. So, when my tea's ready, I'll come in here and have some tea with Maria cookies from Spain and some Darjeeling tea. So, there you go, man.